party all night long. All night long, polka music's going strong. Let's have a party all night long. All night long, everyone will sing along. 'Cause it's a good time all night long. All night long, polka music's going strong. Where you can see so many men come out across this big old land, playing all their favorite songs. Tell your friends to come along, 'cause it's a party all night long. All night long, everyone will sing along. 'Cause it's a good time all night long. All night long, polka music's going strong. Let's have a party all night long. All night long, everyone will sing along. 'Cause it's a good time all night long. All night long, polka music's going strong. And it's that rockin' polka beat that's gonna sweep you off your feet. For there's nothing that compares with polka music to me. Yeah, let's have a party all night long. All night long, everyone will sing along. 'Cause it's a good time all night long. All night long, polka music's going strong.
Want to do one more?
Yeah, I'm gonna, can we do one with, we got no monitor?
Okay. That's right, because I got one.
Well, for the folks that are watching out there on Facebook Live, we're of course at the Embassy Suites Hotel here in Independence, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland, and this is a sound check with the DynaBrass. And this is what we are looking forward to hearing, and they will be performing after
Check,
Michael
check,
Costa
1
and
2
the Beat
1 2 1
around
2 1
6, a little
2.
after 6 this evening. And for the folks that are not going to be able to attend, be sure to look for Facebook Live, YouTube videos of the performances from the DynaBrass, Polka Family, and Michael Costa and the Beat. Paul Belanger, hello, welcome on board. Thanks for joining in to this sound check of the DynaBrass. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas belated to you and the family. Jerome Matchy
Check, check,
from the
1
Golden
2.
Zones. Thanks for joining us with the sound check of the DynaBrass. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to you and Debbie and the family out there. Great seeing you a few weeks ago in DuPont.
Zaraz
Wow.
Wow!
All right, one last thing. I would like some trumpets and horns in my monitor if I can.
Hey, Paul. Chris's monitor, trumpets and clarinet.
Just a little bit.
You want something clarinet?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. Try that.
Play something.
Holy moly.
Wow. For the folks that are going to be here tonight, you are in for one heck of a real treat tonight. And for you folks out there that'll be watching via Facebook Live and YouTube, you're going to be in for a real treat as well. This is the sound check of the DynaBrass here at the Embassy Suites, Independence, Ohio.
1, 2, 1, 2.
DynaBrass doing their sound check before their performance tonight. They'll be the second band
Hey, Paul.
around
I
6,
still wear the
11,
horns
6
and
o'clock
clarinet
after
now.
Michael Costa and the Beat do their first set. And the bands tonight are DynaBrass, Michael Costa and the Beat, and all their family.
That's good.
Stop that noise.
There's Hank.
You guys doing?
One more.
Yeah.
All right. I'm up for one more.
Yep.
Come on, sing a song, you belong where you can't go wrong. It's the trend for you, my friend, to share. Make new friends, dance and sing. Polka seem to be what's happening. Join the waves of people everywhere. It's polka magic. It's polka magic. It's something deep inside your soul that makes you love it so. It's polka magic. It's polka magic. It's polka magic for you and for me.
Everything sounded great, Bernie. You sounded fantastic. You weren't even couldn't hear a band note. You really got it.
Wow.
I'll turn the fan power. I knew the fan power.
Oh, yeah. You need another one, or we could?
Give me one more quick one. Do you mind?
Oh, I got it. I'm good back here.
Have fun? We don't have
He's in the mosh pit. That's right. Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Let's do,
So for those who are just tuning in, we're having the sound check with the DynaBrass going on here at the Independence and the Embassy Suites Hotel. And they're getting ready for their performance tonight. They'll be the second band up around 6 after 6 o'clock. After Michael Costa and the Beat do their first set, The bands tonight are, of course, the DynaBrass, Michael Costa and the Beat, and Polka Family. And the music starts at 5:30, goes till 1 a.m. So be sure to tune in if you can't be here in Independence, Ohio, to the Facebook Live videos and YouTube. And if you're here coming, you're in for a real treat. This is going to be a blast.
And Jerry's dad seconds that.
It's been a great weekend so far. Well, we hope everyone's doing well out there, and Happy New Year. Szczęśliwego Nowego Roku, Nowy Rok to everyone out there.
Here we go.
As strong as it was.
That's okay, I wasn't playing it that hard either. I didn't know that song. I never played that one. Yeah.
They didn't cheat.
I was laying low.
You can't get away with anything, Jim.
I know. It's good that you noticed that.
Maybe it's time off. It's kind of funny.
Right.
No, but awesome. Practice sessions, whatever you want to call it, sound kicks. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't get better from here.
Well, we're giving Jerry's giving the people a tease out there in Facebook land that this is what you can expect later tonight.
He was early.
Yep. Here we go.